How to pay bills through HDFC BillPay. First of all, open your HDFC Mobile Banking app and log in using your customer ID and password or fingerprint, whichever you prefer. Once you are on the home screen, tap on the Bill Payments option. Here you will see several options to pay your bills such as mobile postpaid, gas, water, tax, credit card, insurance, rental payments, donation, electricity, and many more. Now, tap on the category you prefer. In this example, I am selecting the electricity category from the list of billers. Next, select the bill type, enter the biller information, your consumer ID, mobile number, and you can also name this biller for future use. Then, tap Continue. The app will now fetch your bill details, including the amount due and due date. Review all the details carefully to make sure everything is correct. Now, choose the account you want to pay from and tap on Continue. You will be asked to confirm your payment. Just enter your transaction PIN or authenticate using your fingerprint or OTP. Once the payment is successful, you will see a confirmation screen and also receive an SMS or email as proof of payment. You can view all your paid bills anytime under the Bill Pay History section. And that's it. Now you know how to pay bills through HDFC BillPay. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more banking tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.